The newly appointed Provost of the Federal College of Agriculture, Ishiagu, Ebonyi State, Professor Agwu Ekwe Agwu, has pledged to restore the institution's lost accreditation and reposition it for academic excellence. Professor Agwu made this known during his welcome address to staff and journalists at the college in Ishiagu, located in Iwu local government area of Ebonyi State. He outlined his vision to transform the institution into a nationally and globally competitive, multifunctional college capable of meeting Nigeria's academic and agricultural development needs.
I am very convinced and I truly believe that my being here today can only be God. I want to thank him for a day like this. Yes, sir. I also want to put on record my thanks to the President of this country, His Excellency, Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
The Provost assured staff of improved financial stability, expressing optimism that the college would become self-sustaining in the near future. Written by Chijioke Njoku and read by Helen Neka Opala.